Hello everyone. This is a 42-inch Canarm ceiling fan. I believe it's an early version of the Mysic. I'm not sure if it is, but I believe this is a Canarm ceiling fan. That's what it looks like. But yeah. Sorry if you're gonna hear background noise. My mom's having a bath right now. So, yeah. But I'll give you a little close-up view of it. Yeah. Lights here. It uses incandescent lights. This fan it's installed in a cabin at a resort. And yeah, it's a pretty nice fan. Has very neat blades, but the blades are a little dirty. I like the brackets on them. The silver brackets are very nice. And this chain here is not original. This rope thing I don't think is original. This might have been added because the original chain must have been pulled off. But yeah, I'm going to demonstrate it for you. Here's the light. Works really good. Like, it's using incandescent bulbs. Alright. I'm going to start the fan on low speed. And this fan does run in good quality. But let me tell you about it. When you have it on high speed, like when you put it on high, it starts to wobble pretty much. I could feel some air now. Yeah. Yeah, this is actually a good air mover. Close up. I don't know if you can hear a little humming in there. This fan might hum a little. I did hear a little bit of humming. Yeah, I can hear a little bit of a noise there. Alright, enough of low. Here's medium. I don't know if you can see it shaking a little, but medium, it shakes a little, I think. Let me get a close up there a little. You can actually feel more air now moving on medium speed. I'm surprised how powerful this fan is since it's so small and old. Like, it's like a 42-inch and it's like a very small fan, and it's probably one of the oldest. I think it could be from the 90s. Like, maybe the very late 90s or 2000s. I don't know. I did notice a model date up there, but I can't see the model date. I could only see it if I put my camera up on the motor, but I tried doing that, it wouldn't work out. I couldn't read it. So I didn't keep it up there for long. Alright. That's it for medium. Here's high. Now, high, it starts wobbling. Like, let me just get close here. Yeah, you can see it wobbling a little. It's very powerful on high. Like, this is a very powerful 42-inch ceiling fan. I'm very surprised to see how powerful this fan is. It's probably one of the best. Yeah, string is shaking there a little. It's like very wobbling. Like you could see the light kit really wobbly. Like see? You could think this thing is gonna fall down. Yeah, you think this fan will fall, but hasn't. Yeah, but I can feel a ton of air moving. Alright. Here's reverse. Oopsie daisy. Gonna start on low with reverse. Alright. Medium. Oops, sorry about that. Standing on this chair here, as you can see, so just gotta be extra careful. And now, high. Yeah, you can just see it wobbling again. It really shakes a lot more on reverse, it looks like. I don't know. Sometimes to me, it just looks like this fan wobbles a lot, that it wobbles less on high. But yeah. I'm actually going to show you the light on with the fan. Yeah. Oh yeah, this thing's making a noise. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's very, very squeaky. Okay. I'm gonna turn this thing off now because it's freaking me out. Ugh. Let me just turn it back to forward. Alright. So. And that's about it now, I guess. So. Yeah, this is the 42-inch Canarm ceiling fan. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe and tell me what the model is of this, if it's a Mysic or not, or if it's actually a Canarm ceiling fan, but which I think it is. So, yeah, if any of you can tell me that, I would appreciate it. So. Yeah. Thanks for watching.